Hello, so today I would like to talk about a geological dome. So, what is dome and the process of its formation? That will be the topic for today's presentation. So, what is a dome actually? So, a dome is a feature in structural geology consisting of symmetrical inclines that intersect each other at their respective apices. Intact domes are distinct, rounded, spherical to ellipsoidal in shape. Domes look like anticlines, but the beds dip uniformly in all directions away from the center of the structures. So this is the center part actually of a dome, and this is the all beds of this dome, which is disposed uniformly in all directions. So this dome structure you can understand by this example of orange. So you can imagine that cutting an orange in half and placing it cut side down on a table. So this is the shape of dome actually. So you can imagine or you can conclude that the half part of this dome is eroded away from this side, and the rest part is looks like this half orange actually. Structure of a dome. So in domes, the youngest rock layers exposed at the outside, and the oldest rock is exposed in the center part. So these strata would have been horizontal at the time of deposition, and then later by the deformed of the upliftment process, this dome structure is formed. So this is the whole process uh, of a structure. A dome is actually formed. Formation of dome mechanism number one. So domes are caused by compression and upliftment. Domes develop when magma within the earth pushes up surface rock layers upside. This type of geological dome can form as magma intrudes between two layers of sedimentary rock. The magma creates a dome or a triangle shape as it pushes the other layer apart. So, the hardened magma that forms this type of dome is called locolith. So, you can imagine, you can see this diagram actually. So, before the magma is intruded, the layer of sedimentary rock was horizontal, and after this magma is intruded in this sedimentary rock, this goes upside, and this is the actually localith. So I will cover the localith in our next video, that what is a localith. So overall this is actually dome structures, and it is a dome. Formation of dome mechanism number two. So another kind of dome is formed or shaped by weathering and erosion process. As you can see this picture, this is a Sima dome in the Mojave Desert in the USA, and this area once was a mountain, and after weathering and erosion, the rest part is wore away the mountain and smooth it into a rounded dome. So this is actually erosional process and erosional dome, you can say. Salt dome. So salt dome is actually formed in rock salt. Forms when rock salt pushes overlaying sedimentary rock. As you can see, this is a salt or rock salt, and when this rock salt is pushes overlaying sedimentary rock upside, then this salt dome is formed. So salt accumulated as ancient siege dries up over time, eventually sediments over time over this layer of salt. So salt is less dense than most other rocks, and it slowly moves upward to the surface, forming a dome shape hill. So this is a dome shape hill, dome, salt dome. Sometimes salt dome is also consist oil deposit. So this is very important for mineral exploration and for mineral deposit also. The Jagroj mountain in Iraq and Iran have formed over a series of salt domes and have active salt glaciers actually in this area, in Jagroj mountain area. See some dome structures. This is a lava dome actually from Chile, and this is a Eyes of Sahara. This is also a dome structures. This is located in Mauritania. So you can see this is the lava dome, and this part is actually caldera. So this is all about dome structures.